Everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials, and today we will learn how to add YouTube video in MS Excel. So we can also paste videos here directly in the MS Excel, YouTube related videos. Okay, so how we can do that, we will learn that. Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Check out our playlist, you will find videos related to trainers, team leaders, operation manager, quality analyst, MS Excel dashboards, reports, WFM analyst, people management, Six Sigma certifications, so approximately 250 plus videos that will help you in cracking the interview. So let's start how to add YouTube video in the MS Excel. So to add that, we need one extension. You can go to on the top of the side, you can see add ins, which is add in extension. Now just type web video player. Yes, you can see here web video player. Just click on add, and you also copy one YouTube link, whatever you want to play here. Okay, I already copied that. Let it get loaded. Give me just few minutes, it will get loaded, because for this the internet should be connected, mandatory. Okay, the network is quite slow, that is the reason it's taking time. Yes, perfect. Now I will copy the link. Okay, it's loading. Link not copied. Let me Control C, Control V. You can also set start and end time. It's whatever you want. You can also set autoplay depending upon your need, and set video. Once you do that, automatically that video will be added in your MS Excel screen. So if you're creating any reports or something and you want to add some demo video there, wherein that report will teach you, that video will teach you how this report can be used, you can prepare a video in upload in the YouTube and you can keep it here. Now we can see here automatically the video is playing. You can pause, everything you can do here. So in this way we can add the option, guys. That's right. And check out our playlist if you still haven't, guys. Thanks a lot. Don't miss to like, subscribe the channel. Thank you, guys.